Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial for Gyeedu Tutors, and we have a question here under mensuration 1. This question is very easy and I want us to do it together. So let's go. So the question says the diagram below shows the sector of a circle center P and radius 14 centimeters. If QS is a chord and angle QPS is equal to 60 degrees. Calculate correct to 1 decimal place the area of the shaded region, which is this side. So that side is a segment, right? So to find the area of the shaded region, we find the area of chord. So this is the area of the chord. From this, and then we draw a small diagram to see. So you see, all of this here is the area of the chord. And the triangle, we have a triangle, okay? So to find the area of the segment, you can find the area of the whole chord and find the area of the triangle. So we subtract the area of the triangle from this, from the whole area of the area of the area of the sector to get what the area of the shaded region. Okay, so guys, let's do it together. So now, to find the area of the shaded region, first of all, we have to find the area of what? The area of the chord, which is what? The theta of what? 360 times what? Pi r squared. Okay, and now, given an angle, given a triangle, and given an angle and the side, the side here is 40 centimeters, which is the same here. Is what? Half r squared sine what? Theta. Now, if you have this, we can find the area of what? The shaded region. Very easy. Let's do it together. So now our theta is what? Our theta is 60 degrees. And our r is what? 14 centimeters. So now let's do it together. So now we have what? 60 over what? 360 times. Is that if you take pi to what? 22 over 7 times what? 14 squared. This is third bracket minus what? Half times r squared 14 squared times sine of what? 60 degrees. And r squared here means what? This side. There's two sides. So finding the area of the triangle, we multiply it half times what? The sides. And the side is the same, 14. That's why it becomes what? 14 squared. Because 14 times what? 14. Okay. Times the sine of the angle, which is sine 60. Okay. So now, when you get here, you can just do our calculation. So now, in the first bracket, 60 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 14 squared. That's what? 102 on what? 667 minus here's what? Half times 14 squared times sine of 60. That will also give us 84.870. Now when you subtract them from each other, what do you get? You get 102.667 minus 84.870, giving us what? 17.797. So 17.797. But the question says to what? 1 decimal place. So to 1 decimal place is what? 17.8. So now, therefore, the area of shaded region is what? 17.8 centimeter squared. Very, very easy. Alright, guys, so thank you for watching. Kindly share, subscribe to your friends. Let's keep pushing. Alright, thank you.